Sounds, the ultimate pronunciation app for students and teachers. Tap on a symbol to hear the sound, or tap and hold to hear an example word.
Just.
Look up and listen to over 650 words, then record and compare your own pronunciation. Make learning fun with 6 different quiz modes, a race against the clock, and other great games. Access instructional videos, teaching notes, top 10 tips, and much more. Practice your phonetic spelling using the built-in phonetic typewriter. In the classroom, at home, or on the move, work when and wherever you want to. Practice listening, reading, speaking, and writing. From the makers of the best-selling Sound Foundations book. Sounds is available for Apple and Android devices. Sounds is the ultimate way to improve pronunciation.